Go see how much snow is outside. I heard there's a snowstorm here, and I'll tell you how. Canada, let's go. Look out for the door. I'm too small. There's all snow outside. Where's one?
Look at the trees! Look at the trees!
Look at the pounds of snow. That's all. That is white powder.
Oh my god, I'm getting some cold from back here.
Cookie Monster would get buried in the snow. Like a foot of snow. I got wet pants. It's beautiful, but not for driving. Look, it's pretty deep. Hope he's enjoying it. Pick up his girlfriend. Oh, Wolf. Thank you, Kelly. Let's go. Let's go get Kelly. Wolfie, where's Kelly? He's excited. He was sleeping in the snow for a while. Maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. The wolves amongst us. Kelly! I am not running, guys. Holy, look at that. That's pretty. Like powder. Just like Cookie Monster said. Look at this. It's the only time I cook karate. Please don't run into dogs off leash. That's all I care about. I hate dogs off leash. I get scared because, you know, the pups here, huskies, don't like all dogs, and most dogs in the area don't like huskies. Every time I pass by a dog that's... So that is our Canadian storm. It's freezing. It's -10, feels much colder. And now let's take a look at my cat Squirrel. We're going to end the video with Squirrel.
Look at his beautiful eye.
Squirrel.
Look at his big mustache.
Squirrel's a bunny.
Yeah, not a cat. He's a bunny.
He's a bunny.
He has 4 ears. 1, 2, 3, 4.
These are cute hats. We should get more of these. The cats seem to like it. I love you, Squirrel.
And he has 4 eyes. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4.